So hey guys, this is Code X1 and you're welcome to our YouTube channel Safe Security. So today we are solving a problem that is occurring daily on behalf of every devices who uses like VirtualBox. So let's go without any wasting time. Let's check what is the problem. So here we have the problem that drag and drop is not working on VirtualBox and we are getting some error. So drag and drop operation from host to guest is failed. So how to solve this? So we have one more problem occurring in this virtual box, that is clipboard copy, right? So here we have an clipboard copy, like I copy from host to guest, it doesn't work. Copy paste doesn't work. So how to solve this? So let's get started without any wasting time and watch full video to know what is the exact problem is this. I'm getting the same error that I'm copying that, but it is not reflecting here. So I got lots of problem while bug hunting or doing other pen testing related details. So let's solve this problem. So here we can see something is not any problem. So just check this settings if you have like. So let's go to upgrade guest. I'm getting same error here, also installing failed, and VirtualBox Guest Addition on is not installed properly. So how to solve this? So let's get started. We have 3 to 4 problem including these things, and if we got solved, every problem will be solved and you will learn something. So let's get started without any wasting time. Here we have an download VirtualBox Guest Edition 7. Which is upgraded one. So let's get downloaded. I have already downloaded this, so no problem. Okay, shut down this machine, and what we have to do next? We have to open VirtualBox. After shutdowning the machine, go to settings. We will see storage here. So here we have two things, that is controller and controller SATA. So let's check first one. Go to edit and check out what is for made, what is the logic behind, so what to add here or what to not add here. Here we have codex1 BDI file which is used to locate the storage of the machine and which handles the storage part of virtual machine. So here we have an disk file. So I'm copying this to another folder which will be like visible to me directly while working. So I'm just pasting on music folder, which is like directly I can access and find that it is available or not. So we have one mount button. So let me try this mount. Don't try. Okay, I'm just trying this. So it will ejected on your PC but not in your VirtualBox. So we find something these types of folders in that. So let's check if we can find something new thing. Just explore everything, because if you are like exploring everything, you will get to know what the exactly problem is this, and if you get problem in future, you will find a solution already. So check what is going on with this. Don't worry, we will solve this problem. So go to controller SATA, and controller SATA we have to add this again. We are finding something new, so let's go to add. So we have here two guest box addition. So we find one more. Okay, we have added that, and that check out that down button, that is choose. So select those what you want. Like I have selected, let me select again. So go to edit. Here we have optional drive. Select that, choose that. We found that it is in used, right, in storage. So again we have to start this machine for checking if it is working or not. So let's get started again. The power machine is on. VirtualBox started. My English is not proper, so don't worry, we are working on it also, as my technical skill make louder speakers than my voice. So So we have started our machine, and again we get in two problems, that is in alert box we have mouse integration and auto capture keyboard. That doesn't matter if it error occurs or not, doesn't matter. So enter your credentials, which will be like, so this is the error, right? Enter the credentials. So I'm logging with root user. Like I work with root user, I don't care about sandbox, because I don't want to write again and again sudo. So yeah, I got a terminal here, and let's try if we solve the error or not. Let's check again. Shared kickbox is bidirectional, drag and drop is bidirectional, and we have to open something folder or copy paste. Okay, so I am checking this. No, not copying. Yeah, so let me check something to copy things. Okay, so I copy this from host, and let's go to machine or paste here. I have found this working. So if you found working, so comment down and say we got already solved. Okay, so let's import file from host. So we are getting imported from host to machine, so it is also working, and we are not getting that kernel server shutting down error, so that was also a problem. So we have solved over 3 problems, and this is the problem. We have to install guest box of additions of VirtualBox to solve the problem. So machine, okay, so when you are shutting down the machine, this option will already come, and we have to add an optional drive to this, and after that we have to select that and choose to machine, and what I ejected, that is doesn't matter. So this disk image file is we have to import that into machine, and we will already solve the problem. So okay, we have solved problem. If you are here till now, so comment down. Yeah, you are amazing. And we have a platform for cybersecurity professional. We provide tools related to like recon processes of WAPT or pen testers. So we have here SSL checker, breach detector, and dorking and other related tools. So let me check out that. Yeah, so this is the output, how it shows output. So you will think that when the SSL certificate will expire or not. So this is my new, so let me check again to this. So this is my new domain. I didn't find anything, so no problem. Let me check with HTTPS. If it finds, no problem, we don't have. So here we have port scanning in websites. So if you have to scan port, you are going to machine and doing nmap, it is very high process and takes time. So you can go to our platform and find out subdomain enumeration, DNS lookup and DNS reverse lookup, phone information, breach, extract page, email information gathering, and other tools. Also we have cybersecurity learning platforms here. So this is an amazing platform for cybersecurity professionals as well as for non-IT professionals. If they want to help, they want to get help, and all the details of VirtualBox Guest Addition pack and error problem solving will be added to this blog. So if you are looking how to solve that problem without watching any video, or you miss some video parts, so you can come to our blog and check out. Just search VBox and you will get our blog on VirtualBox problem solving, right? So this is like I am adding. Okay, no problem. Thank you for watching.